ye man no in a way one sika ye koji wa manone e de abegu ye central bank and as a Bank of Ghana am ye tua ho interest na din sunsun so boni a ho kire abreye daache no sika kokko yi tu ha ebetimi de akoye na enya kakra e de agu reserves mu na etimi a hold the economy no. That's the best. But yet again, you can't effect, you know.
Yeah.
So John, no question say, "Adie bien you are we are winning effect." But are those effects manageable? Are those effects serviceable in a way? We have other alternatives and
87.9.
We in aya there no so
yeah, very important. We are so see who sound so. I know there it's something that we
so for me I think say it is very good. Only that say na work no. Gold no so there e bi mo tu ne bi mo sense say. We should have a way to go about it. Yesterday I bet me mine. The bigger goal ne say another the target ne say yeah the all no ko amai so no yakwadwu sika e de abe fere your reserves no
na ya hwenso
yanko bobesia yes yanko bobesia mum emfa mum your reserves en say ntwa ho interest dem we gold ne kwaje dia I think say it is in order say John
na enum nyina mu so no I agree with you but yenhwe how so a ye behwe ne manage ne yie so that you take advantage of the fact that ya anko IMF anko disika yes intino ye de gold na ye na fe eno so no
abai abatros
eno so twa ye mene
asomne gon
eno so twa ye mene yes e ba sa ade e be ha dwen pa intino ye but they say on kan ya no to 70 saying
oh nyame nim no kre enye se bia ekokra enre ne ba ko bi fem ba ko mienu bi only that he say no fine che.
Okay.
Now, but we see, Makase, the ane hardware fluctuation.
Yeah.
A prepare no ane hardware. So, it's be a neighbor doom and they say in your timetable. It be a hour off. We were light. We super call off. We were sometimes you are time on Makasi be doom you noon that time. So only I could do different. I think say no penny the only challenge, but I think
all right. Is it
I improve it?
Yeah, yes. I mean, near my calling. The attendant say I see I can say ECG for some day. Transform is
87.9 Kumasi.
Na I know boy kakra. I'm say
a year juma dear.
A year. What's it?
A year juma dear.
What's happening on the aba?
Ti dem ya make us and say Oko achira ha. Transform be go. You is a Cartoon Network.
Eva.
Oh. Okay, see maybe only Transformers will be good if anything. I've been area.
Aye.
Oh,
but we almost some friend high capacity transformer. And domestic ones ni bi there. Residential sound of friend.
The most important thing.
And yeah,
7.9.
And you step down, right?
Yeah, who be Krumu happen. The most important thing is be yejuma. Timaka just said the transformer will be good. Abincho bibre.
Enti we no almost say a call aba bedru courage box supply point.
Ti omo yo mo ntwaja tumi anhwe. Sade no yejuma.
Yes, enti according to information me nya say e be affected from Wednesday economy start here hojuma.
Okay.
Enti no there are areas that e be affect your power supply. The ECG for na say my idea you see now no me catch us o metima ye what na wa ma minister na be catch am say and do tie jinapa say wa direct ECG when for say they should be giving us updates be affected and na uko ECG on social media afen me say nkrofo ye adwuma
no kre wo me say
afen me hu
sometimes bi o ho anye se bia politician ho odin chen wo ba no utimi wo ba no all school classes fee one farmer no so they are here teacher ni free when him go see nti oso mu dia ma me ba no yibusa me ba no so I was ti asem ni say yes sometimes be also so be o mo kan yi also aban release ka ban release ka no paninu so be ko kan no e say aban release ka no
Akoma FM 87.9.
But abanye release kan wi ana afi wasa dan ho abeka se o na obi na enye na adwuma na afi na me hye obi so onye na adwuma yo me hu no kure na ewo mu no
Azale ntie nie ahun se lesitia no ahun
yes
eba so ahun
me hu se maka se weni mu de me no onto se betwa gya to mu no me de me hu no se me
ugidie wo fam
de me hu no
ba sinkum
maka cho se bia be gu kru ya ye de be gu ha si ye wie ntimi fkra mfa mo PS5 ye bi ku be gu ha si nti omu twa gya to wie na ye adwuma na bibia yi we afi ne hu se ye me betisi track so say there me dey I mean hu say we ye fancy ho yin twa ntum na nye adwuma afi ye kan wasema na ye ka this track ni me na koda ura fi Ghana had the settings omo masa jaja Ghana settings wa have rough me see ye twa ntum
na sa de kwanya ka ba ko
it doesn't really mean anything to me ye dey see ho ye twa ntum afi de eja dem bibia yi afi ne ye be kan we ho asem na onfa o de ka we be si wa for because me hu bi dem aka cho say abinchi ho ye be de ho be gu ho so anya adwuma da
enti maka cho say no de no we high capacity
look let's see your ultimate capacity kura no for me doesn't mean anything
ultimate capacity
it doesn't mean anything to me what means to me no there it mean something to me and say ye sio ye install ye twa atum so afi baby anka na ye adwuma eno nma de hia we ne propaganda me pe ye pe the real deal ye de aba eye o ma ya de o mo fa so ye ntwa atum obi I mean nkane na is stable that's it afi ne ye ba ye be kan we yes so my ya de we na mo de buy and they say so and when they mean doesn't mean anything to me yes
grandpa I'm a Kumasi say John ya say okay as many aje pass ya te won kan unu ya Ken Opoku say also akopie mu Dubai o
hey
Ken yes Ken Opoku anya ayo anya Ken Kennedy
na why
oh